Hey my amazing people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing custom WordPress travel blog for free using Elementor. I will show you everything from creating a transparent sticky header, every website section, a call to action, a footer and all other pages, a blog page, and also a contact page to enable your website visitors to always reach out to you. Our website will be 100% tablet and mobile friendly, looking great on all screen sizes, fast, secure with a free SSL, and most importantly, works as it should. I have to mention that I have created this website from scratch, from the layout, the content, including images, and will be using the free Addons theme and Elementor to build everything up. So if you ever wanted to create a website, a blog, a homepage, a portfolio, or a landing page, this tutorial is for you. Everything you need to know from getting a domain name and hosting to installing WordPress, themes and plugins is covered in here with simple and clear explanations. Maybe you are wondering, who is this guy here? My name is Kwehangana Hamza. I've been creating websites for a living in the past 6 years, including running a web design agency for 5 years. I run a web design YouTube channel with over 13,000 subscribers in just 2 years. So, you are in the right place and in the right hands to kickstart your web design building journey. And if you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out an upload. With that said, let's jump into the first part of creating our WordPress website.